Let's look at the elements that compose your book's style. To add additional styling to one or multiple pages of your project, tap any page to enter the Edit Page view. You'll see options for page layouts, page color, and add text box at the bottom of the page. Tap Page Color to reveal the array of colors you can apply to your page. You'll find several pre-selected color swatches which coincide with the main colors found in the theme you've selected. Selecting the color wheel allows you to choose any color you can possibly desire. Tap around in the wheel and use the brightness slider located at the bottom to pick the exact right color balance for your page. When you're satisfied, simply tap Done or swipe to the next page to save your changes. Voila! Your custom swatch has been added to the color selection bar. This color will be saved so you can easily use it whenever you want. Tap Show Patterns to see the pattern options available for the theme you've selected. Patterns do not apply to the portfolio and image conscious themes. If you would like to apply a style to multiple pages, tap the Apply To button and select which pages you would like the style applied to. To save your changes, tap Done in the upper left. To discard any changes, tap Cancel in the upper right.